Ooh, child, it's cold out this piece, but that means I need to make smothered chicken. Y'all seen me when I made the smothered pork chops, and it's different. So the difference is I'm using milk, fresh herbs, sage and rosemary, and a little bit of vinegar. So that's the difference. And then somebody hit me up and asked me, do I sell plates? I sell plates, I sure do. DM me if you want a plate for dinner or for lunch. Hit me up. But do it quickly because they're going fast. I promise you, they're going fast. It's limited. Holla.